Hi guys, welcome back to Vinegar-Based Productions Tips and Tricks. Today, we're going to be talking about how to keep your videos short and make them more effective. Keeping videos short is very important. Today's attention span is only 8 seconds. So when you produce a video, think about giving them a snack, not the entire meal. This way it's more digestible for your audience and it's more shareable on social platforms. At Vinegar-Based Productions, we use a hosting service called Wistia for all of our videos. And the analytics within that program allow us to see a dramatic drop-off at 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 2 minutes. And that's why we recommend keeping videos short. Think about producing 3 or 4 videos into a series. This way it's more consumable for your audience to understand and you can focus more specifically on certain topics. It all comes down to keeping your videos short to retain your audience. You want to give them something that they're going to enjoy watching and that they're going to learn from. If you enjoyed this short video and you found it helpful, then click that subscribe button and join us for our next video when I'll talk about how to promote the great videos you're producing.